Changing your verification method on YouTube can help enhance your account's security and accessibility. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Sign into your YouTube account. Log into your YouTube account using your email and password. Ensure that you are using the account for which you want to change the verification method. Step 2. Access your account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your account settings page. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Update verification method. Under the Security Settings, find the section for verification methods. Here, you can see your current verification method and options to change it. Select the method you prefer, such as using an authenticator app, SMS, or email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, follow the prompts to confirm and set it up. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your new method to finalize the changes. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Regularly check your security settings to ensure your account remains secure.